My name is Ben, I'm working with Firecracker Works and coordinating this project for Yinka Ilori, artist, designer extraordinaire. He's been made the ambassador of joy for Courvoisier. This event is taking place at the Design Museum, and we are doing a lot of pre-planning, a lot of pre-production for this because we have a very tight window to install this. A major part of this work is a big winding S-shaped table that Yinka has designed, and we've received it, touched it up, and we're going to implement the installation of it in its third iteration for this show. Our involvement with this event at the Design Museum for Yinka Ilori has come to an end. It was a success, 6 weeks of planning and then 6 hours preparing all the set in the loading bay to pounce on the space to get it done in 60 minutes was intense, but there was many smiling faces, lots of joy in the room. Don't forget to check out Yinka Ilori's retrospective exhibition at the Design Museum on currently by the name of Parables for Happiness.